Guys, it's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we're taking a good look at Bitcoin. We all saw the massive dump we got yesterday. I would have made a quick update on updating you guys on what happened, but I couldn't simply because I was very busy at work. They were asking for a lot of creatives, a lot of videos to be edited. Sorry, not videos to be edited, creative. Sorry. So yeah, I was extremely busy. So yeah, without wasting much of our time, we could see the massive dump we got from Bitcoin. And I also said it yesterday that we should all be expecting a pullback. We should all be expecting a pullback, which you could see we got that pullback. Yes, one of the reasons why you should definitely be following this channel by subscribing, turning on post notification, and smashing the like button, most importantly, so that this video will be reaching out to every other people out there. So you could see that first things foremost, if I should take this away from here, we were able to find support around this range, within this range. Sorry, we dropped all the way. If I should take this away, because we already know what we got from here, we could see that we dumped all the way from our all-time high at $124,000. We dumped all the way to this major support right here at $116,000. Yes, we dropped all the way down to $116,000 and $117,000, and we with quick reaction from this level, we were able to recover. We bounced from here, so there's a possibility that we'll drop down a bit to on this trend line right here. We might find support at 117,900 before breaking this resistance right here. So do not be scared, do not be moved by this dump right here. This was to be expected. If you don't know that this is what crypto is all about, then you can go ahead and buy your stable coins. You can buy stocks, because that is what stocks are meant for, stability. But here in crypto, there is nothing like stability, guys. It is the volatility that makes the money. So yeah, that is just all I can say for now. In my other chart right here on Bitcoin, you could see that we're at a level of resistance right here. You could see my predictions came to pass, in the sense that, okay, worst case scenario, I was suggesting that we're going to dump all the way to 118, but you could see we dumped lower than that, and currently we are retesting this level right here. So if I should take this away from here right here, we could see that this was what ended up playing out right here. So now we could see that we broke below this major support right here, which is $119,000, and we are at the verge of retesting it. If we should get another red candle, another 4 hours red candle here, there is a possibility that we might be dumping all the way to this region right here at 116,300 region. Worst case scenario, we could dump all the way down to 115,700, maybe consolidating and breaking out of this resistance right here. So this is what I am thinking is gonna be playing out with Bitcoin anytime soon. Now the funny part is that Bitcoin and Ethereum has been outperforming, so very soon, even if we are going to be getting a pullback from Bitcoin, we are most likely going to be getting what is it called, pumps from the altcoins, because hopefully when Bitcoin starts dumping, the altcoins will definitely be pumping. Sorry, I don't know why I had to include USDT. So if we look at the Bitcoin dominance right here, we could see that the Bitcoin dominance is still falling. Yes, the Bitcoin dominance is still falling from the daily time frame right here. We could see that the Bitcoin dominance is still falling all the way down to 56%. So if this is happening, then we should be expecting the altcoins to definitely rally. So yeah, this is just definitely all I can say for now. In terms of the news, we could see we started with good news yesterday. Bitcoin surpasses Google to become the 5th largest asset in the world by market cap. And also we saw Bitcoin meeting all-time highs, and also we saw within a short period of time the all-time high didn't even last, and the US PPI rises to 3.3%, higher than expectations. Then we saw a very huge dip, which over 420 billion dollars was liquidated from the crypto market. That was within the 20 minutes of dip that we got. Over $420 million was liquidated. And also a total of 100 billion wiped out from the crypto market cap. That was crazy, guys. That was crazy. And also the one of the biggest news that actually, like, major news that made the market crash was the Treasury Secretary Bessent says the US government is not going to be buying Bitcoin. Now, one of the things I definitely want you guys to know is that these are all lies. These are all lies, because when you look at the premises, the premise was Trump saying that US is going to be the biggest crypto regulated and crypto country in the entire world. For Trump to make that statement, it means a competition has already been set. So the fact that we're getting this news that the US government is not going to be buying Bitcoin, these are all lies. These are all lies, guys. The circulation of Bitcoin right now is very, very little. It's very, very low. It's very, very low. So this is all nothing but a strategy for these guys to use to make billions upon billions upon billions upon billions of dollars in profit. Of course, they'll come out, they'll be like, oh, we're not gonna be buying anymore. Behind the scenes, guys, they are buying. So do not fall for all this nonsense bull crap. That's why when you see someone like Michael Saylor buying, just use Michael Saylor as a market indicator, a signal indicator. Michael Saylor is a signal indicator to let you know that Michael Saylor knows a whole lot. You could see when Trump got in, Trump had one or two conference with these big crypto investors or crypto CEOs, and you could see that ever since then, Michael Saylor has been buying at the top. He has been buying at the top. So Michael Saylor should be a big signal indicator of Bitcoin, why he should definitely not be falling for all these people lies, because if anything wants to happen to Bitcoin, Michael Saylor is definitely one of the persons that will know what is actually happening inside, behind the scene. Because by the time we start seeing Michael Saylor selling half of his Bitcoin, then we're going to know that something is going on. But the fact that Michael Saylor is still buying, he is a huge indicator, a huge signal to us that we shouldn't buy whatever these governments are saying. Yes, the government are here for our Bitcoins. I don't own any Bitcoins, so just don't buy any of this. Without wasting much of your time, thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on the post notification, destroy the like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Have a wonderful weekend. Peace out.